An army, millions of them, and they are ALL heading for my farm.
No, not my cabbages. They're taking them. My hard work.
Oh no! Oh, they're eating it! No!
I'll blast you all. They keep coming. No, they're everywhere.
Take that. Leave me alone.
Still no rain after all these clouds. Look how thick they are out. Keep going, Phin. Just a little more. There, much better. Now, the carrots. Perfect.
Mia.
Time to check the supplies. Everything looks perfect in here. Dry as a bone despite this heat. I hope you're doing all right in this heat, little ones. Don't worry, I'll be back soon to help cool you down.
Crunch. What's that? Ants? Wow. Keep marching, little friends. Almost there. Where does this go?
That's a lot of ants!
Oh no! They're all coming this way.
That is not a trail, Gee. That is an army. Millions of them. And they are ALL heading for my farm.
No, not my cabbages. They're taking them. My hard work. My hard work.
No! Oh no! Oh, they're eating it! No!
Oh no. Look at all of them. Stop it. Get off my car. I can't stop them.
They're everywhere. They're taking it all. Not just the shed, the crops too. I have to stop them. They're not getting away with this. Where? They're after everything. I won't let them have it. All right, Turbo, let's do this. Take that, you little pests. Uh-oh. No way! You're kidding me. I'll blast you all. They keep coming. No, they're everywhere. I can't do it alone.
Oh no. What's this? Get off. Take that. Leave me alone.
Hey, what's this? Snip, lick, chew, spits. Oh, that's vile. No, that won't work. Think. Wait, the ash pile. Yes, the ash pile. Yes. It worked. Look at them, they can't cross. I did it. My magic powder works. Time to seal this tight. No more ants in here. Ants everywhere. Must stop them. Just a moment, Milky. Almost done. All right, chicks, watch this. Wow.
Look, they're eating them.
Now you try.
Keep pumping. We need to fill this tank. Almost done. Let's take these to the paddocks. Careful, Snow. Don't spill the water.
Keep pushing, boys. We can't let them through. Yes, that's it. They won't cross this line. Time to reinforce the barrier.
Careful.
Just needed a little extra protection. Whew, that's some strong stuff. Okay, Phin, just a little more. Perfect. Take that, ants.
Snort, 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 snort.
I did it.
Keep pushing, Snow. Just a little further.
Nay.
Almost there, Phin. Good job, partner. It's holding.
Nay!
Ah, these look perfect.
Oh.
Just the right amount of mint and garlic. This is exactly what I needed. Mongham. Oh, it held. They didn't get through.
Oh.
Oh, wow. All right, back to work. Work.
They're turning away. The river's getting thinner. They're passing through. They didn't breach the farm. Good girl, Snow. See? All safe now. It feels so nice, Phin. They're leaving. They're actually leaving. Yes! It's working! They're gone, finally! Oh no, looks like they got some of the outer leaves. But the roots are fine, and the tomatoes are okay. They survived. Everything is safe. The ash barrier worked. Ooh! I need to make sure those ash lines stay there permanently. Time to get this farm back in shape. Me?
Just getting the ash and water sorted out. Back to normal soon. Time to give these little plants the boost they need.
Whoa!
Nothing goes to waste on this farm.
Whoa!
Look at you go, little sprouts.
Emergency antash paw. Keep dry.
All right, next spot. Looking good? Perfect. And smoothed. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
Huh? A ditch?
You're fine.
Watch this. Whoa.
Good one.
Very funny.
Keys, check.
Ash line, check. Emergency box, check.
Notebook confirmed.
Animal settled, check. Anti-fence, skilled.
Now. Ant army. Massive colony migration. Defense. Wood ash barriers most effective. Heroes. Piggy, Snow, and I. Thanks for watching, friends. Remember, Dad, tiny things can cause big problems. But any ride